June of 2023, we had a significant wind event in the Buffalo, Jewett, Texas area. It knocked down about 12 miles of 345 lattice line structures.
The towers were twisted and mangled. They were ripped completely off the foundations. Actually fell across I-45, which is the main interstate connecting Dallas to Houston. So once Oncor could assess the damage, they contacted GSW to see how quickly we could respond with resources to help in this restoration.
Initially, the work consisted of getting the damaged line and structures out of the way.
With the amount of towers that were on the ground, we brought in 3 shear machines on track hoes, and we cut the towers up in sections.
We had to go in and, of course, drill, and for a few weeks it was going on for 24 hours a day so that we could start setting structures.
Being a member of MYR Group, we have access to a very large fleet of specialized equipment. Just the amount of work we do for Oncor and number of crews we have in that area, we have a significant amount of equipment that we're able to bring onto site immediately.
The I-45 crossing, that work was done at night. There was a lot of logistical planning that had to go into this to be successful.
Everybody did a great job of looking at the logistical needs that we would have in terms of keeping the crew in good shape, working through some of the hotter months of Texas in the summer. And as a result, morale stayed high, team stayed safe.
Oncor was very pleased with the safety of the project and then also the quality of the project as well.
We originally had 4 months, and we actually accelerated and completed it all in 7 weeks.
It was a great effort between all involved, and it really shows the depth of the relationship and the trust between all the entities to work together, come up with a solid plan, and get this project executed quickly.